Hey, what's up, everyone? Do you want to know how you can earn money daily online? If so, stay tuned for this video because that's what we're going to talk about. In this video, we're going to talk about a way that you can earn money online daily by doing simple tasks. Now, I'm going to jump and share my screen and show you how you can earn money daily. And if you wait till the end of this video, there's going to be a surprise. So let's get into the video. So the way we're going to make money daily is with this site called Prizerebel, and I'm going to give you guys a rundown on it. So you can make money online daily. So I'm a diamond member, and when you start, there's bronze level, there's silver, there's gold, there's platinum, and diamond. Okay, once you reach $10, you get 20% of your referrals. You get no automatic prize processing, but you want to get to gold and cash out $45, so you get 25% of your referrals points, and you get automatic prize processing and a special bonus at the beginning of each month, and a automatic prize discount. So I'm at diamond. When you get to diamond, you don't go back in levels, you only go up, and once you're at the top, the diamond level, you stay there. So why I like this site? Because you can do surveys, offers, and run videos. I use this site every day. As you see, I have 0 points. We will get into the rewards and my reward history, but let's go into surveys first. So you can go to OptiWorld, Your Surveys, Peanut Labs, Innovate, Luna, Gold, or Say So. Okay, I like going to Your Surveys. And you can try all of these. I recommend that you do. But you can always do your daily survey for 75 points. Okay, that's 75 cents. Every 100 points is $1. My goal every day is to make $5. I then turn and invest that into my business. If you want my #1 way to earn money online to make bigger money for you and your family, click the first link in the description. All right. So, offer walls, we have Peanut Labs, AdGate, Toro, AdGem, Polefish, AT Studios, Point Click Track, Send, and Revenue Universe. So I go to Peanut Labs and I click on Info Submit because I don't want to use my credit card or anything like that. And I go to Popular. Okay. And I will do all these, I will try to do all of these offers. Okay. And you have to make sure that you clear your cache and your cookies before you do each offer so that it will credit. Sometimes they still don't credit, but they do. Sometimes they do. You can go to videos. And you can use hideout.tv and sign up for them, and you can make an account and then you switch your points over to Prizerebel. So let's go to the rewards. You can go to their name, sort them by name. We can also go to newest gift cards. They literally have every gift card you could ever think of. If you start using this site, then you will not have to pay for Christmas. Okay. Because if you use this site every day, you can literally get Amazon gift cards daily, PayPal money daily. You can eat out every day daily. You can go to Dunkin' Donuts, Burger King, Chipotle, Starbucks. You can get stuff at Walmart. You can go to GameStop if you're a gamer, JCPenney, a Visa gift card. All right. You can go to Target, order Papa John's pizza. You can go to Domino's, go to Best Best Buy. You can go to Barnes and Noble, IHOP, Bed Bath and Beyond, Bath and Body Works, Five Guys, Jamba Juice. Like, if you use this website all the time, guys, you can literally pay for your Christmas. All right. They have different categories here, as you can see. Whatever category you want to do, you can click on. As you see right here, I have mine set for $5 PayPal cash. That's my goal every single day. You can click here to change your goal. All right. You can get Apple gift cards for free, have free Apple TV. So that's that. They're doing a Facebook contest right now, so you can click there to enter. If you do your daily challenge, which is 145 points, $1.45, they give you 5. Every person has a different challenge. 5-day challenge. If I do this challenge for 5 days, they give me 25 cents. If you want to enter the raffle, they give away a $20 Amazon gift card. Here's my goal, $5 in PayPal money. Here's your referral link if you want to refer friends and get paid for it, like I'm doing in this video. If you download the Google Chrome extension, which I highly recommend because they send out promo codes all the time, that's where you'll enter this, or you can go up here and you can enter this promo. All right, let me show you my rewards history, okay? Because I want to be transparent with you guys and show you that you can earn. This year, I've cashed out 4 times, the last being April 22nd, which was about like 7 days or so ago. This year, I've redeemed $41.54. Last year, I redeemed $60.26. My stats are 0. Points earned today, 0. Points earned yesterday, 0. Points earned this month, $17.90. Points earned this year, $40.06. Lifetime points I've earned on this site is $523.63. I've claimed 93 rewards. I have 89 referrals, and I haven't received anything from my referrals today. My points history, because I want to be completely transparent, I've made points off Peanut Labs, AdGate, Offer Toro, a promo code, Peanut Labs, Daily Challenge, Revenue Universe, AdGate, Ascend Media, Revenue Universe. So you guys can use this site daily to earn different points and prizes. Here's your daily survey for 75 cents. If you don't want to go to surveys, it's all here. There's Peanut Labs. There's different offers. There's offer wall offers. Download your Google Chrome extension. It will send you different point opportunities. And always check your inbox because they send you survey opportunities just for you. Here's a bunch of surveys if you want to try to qualify for those. Down here, they have your Opinion World, your surveys, Peanut Labs, Innovate, Say So Rewards, Daily Gold, and Taluna. Okay. So that's that. I hope that this video was helpful. If you want to learn my #1 way to earn money online, click the first link in the description. There will be a bonus if you click that link. And if you want to join Prizerebel, that will be the second link in the description. And you do get bonus points when you sign up using my link. If you have any questions, please comment on this video. Please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I release a new video. And share this video with somebody so that they can learn to earn money online, so that they can have extra money for themselves and their families. All right, guys, I will see you later. I hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you guys soon.